Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to remove that armrest and how to replace it on Hyundai Sonata 2005 to 2010 model. Stay with us guys and we'll show you how to do that now. Oh guys, as you can see, ours is not working at all. The bottom piece is working fine, but the top lid, okay, it's down, it's broken, so we need to replace it. And the one that we found, it's a little bit different actually. It's from a luxury model, but it fits. It's the one that you have the slide and you can, okay, you can move it back and forward. So we're going to replace the whole assembly now, okay, right here. So we'll show you how to do that now. So first thing guys, you need to come on the back and you need to remove that trim piece right here, okay, and this one has only a couple clips. Okay, we'll show you how to do it now. With a prying tool you can pop it open. Okay, once we do it on the other side, we'll show you on this side. I think there we'll show you all the clips that it has. Okay, so you know what to expect. So if you pull it down there, you can get a prying tool in it, okay, and you can open it like that guys. That's actually all you need to do. There is a couple on the bottom screws that you cannot remove. As you can see down there, it's stuck there, so this you cannot remove there, okay, and this has been removed in the past because you can see all the white clips down there. We dropped only one of them, okay, and there is actually 4 of them, so somebody replaced some of them I guess. And if you lost any, okay, that's how you just push them in like that. Pretty simple. Okay. So we just leave it open like that, just on top now, and we'll go ahead towards the phone now. Okay, move the seat so we can record better and show you guys. And now we need to open it. Okay, right there. You need to be careful because it goes all the way to the back. You need to remove that cover now, right here. Okay, just pull it out. You have 4 screws that you need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, 2 are almost out of the way. And we'll see how the new style actually fits in it. We will like it better too, because you can slide it over the front and adjust it to you. And the last one right there. Okay, and after that you need to hold it, yeah, because it's gonna fall down. And you just pick it up guys, and that's the whole arm lid right here, armrest lid assembly. And you can remove only the top one if you need to. From right here you remove that cap, and I think there is 2 or 4 screws there again. And now we're going to go ahead and install the new one, the new kind that we got. Okay, you need to make sure everything's lining up good, and just install the four screws there with the Phillips screwdriver. We got those tight now, and what we're going to do, just push that one in to lock there. Need to make sure the clips are where they're supposed to be. You can see it a little bit, and all you have to do, just press it in. Okay, like that, it's locked there. Now next thing, we'll need to install the little lid right here that covers the screws. You push down and it locks again there. So that's the whole procedure guys. Now like that, and you can actually slide that one back and forward. It looks great, it's the same cover even. So that's the whole procedure. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.